Welcome back to another episode of Black Facts. In celebration of Black History Month, Black Facts is sharing facts on Black pioneers that changed healthcare. These trailblazers broke barriers and shattered stereotypes and went on to conduct research, discover treatments, and provide leadership that improved the health of millions. Let me introduce you to Dr. James McCune Smith. Born into slavery in New York City in 1813, he was an avid learner. He was denied admission to American colleges because he was Black, but he was able to attend the University of Glasgow in Scotland, where he earned his bachelor's, master's, and medical degree by the age of 24. Dr. Smith had a keen interest in languages, mastering Latin, Greek, and French, and developed a working knowledge of Hebrew, Italian, Spanish, and German. He established his own medical office and pharmacy, making him the first African American doctor with his own practice in the United States. As a physician, he treated both Black and white patients, and also served as the chief doctor of the New York City Colored Orphan Asylum. Dr. Smith devoted most of his life to working with abolitionists. He co-founded Radical Abolitionists. Our men weren't the only ones making a difference. Our women were trailblazers too. Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler began her medical career as a nurse. She was the first to challenge the prejudice that prevented African Americans from pursuing careers in medicine. Despite the medical field putting women down by saying things like, "Women lack physical strength to practice medicine," "They're incapable of mastering medical curriculum," and topics are inappropriate for their sensitive and delicate nature. Dr. Crumpler ignored those false claims and went to school at the New England Female Medical College and graduated as the first African American woman in the United States to earn her medical degree. One remarkable fact, in the 1860s, there were only 300 women out of the 543,000 physicians, and she was the only African American. She published one of the first medical publications, a book of medical discourses, written to provide women with healthcare advice for their families. Affected by the living conditions and the poor health in the Black community, Dr. Crumpler took it upon herself to help care for the men, women, and children with no medical care. I guess we can say she is one of the first to epitomize Black girl magic. Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler and Dr. James McCune Smith are remarkable and celebrated Black pioneers who played a major role in changing the healthcare system. Let's honor their legacies and make our mental and physical health a priority. Let's continue to grow and learn together as we discover the facts and strive to be the best, healthiest versions of ourselves.